Imagine falling deeper and deeper into the ocean. At first, you'd see fish and sunlight, but within seconds, the water turns black. Now you're in the midnight zone where terrifying creatures lurk, like the anglerfish with its glowing lure. Pressure builds, crushing, deadly. Your lungs, they'd collapse before you reach the bottom. At nearly 36,000 feet, welcome to the Challenger Deep, the closest thing to an alien world on Earth. But don't worry, you never make it this far alive, so still want to go for a swim?